Hey there. So this is my land. All right, so this will be the entrance coming in. You can see my car. This is how I will pull up. And right in here, a half acre of this beautiful 12 acres is mine. Oh, hallelujah. Okay, so we got some work to do. So I can't bask in all of that too much right now. We got some work we got to do. So we are going to mow all of this for a half acre square, so that when they come in the morning, they will be able to treat the soil, and then we'll be able to turn the soil. We're not going to do too much tilling, but we're going to do a little bit of tilling, and then or turning over of the soil. And then we will be able to start laying out the plot plan in real time. I can't believe I'm doing this. All right, we'll be back. All right, so I'm gonna take you with me. So you can see this is the fence, and this is what a half acre feels like. See, it won't be all the way to the solar panels, but right there, if you can see, I don't know if you can see the lawnmower yet, but that's where we're gonna stop. So we're going. Now, I'm wondering if you're gonna be able to see, as I can clearly see the delineation right here. Can you see that? Can you see that it's dark on this side and lighter on this side? That's my line right there. So that's my half acre from back here. Everything back there is the owner's land, and then this starts mine right here. All right? Okay, an update. I'm a little worried that it's gonna get dark on me, but I don't know if you can tell, but we have done a lot and still got a big patch in the middle to go. My partner in farming, Devorah, is helping, but we are almost there. On our way. I'll show you more.